Hello and welcome to PDF.co. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Zapier and PDF.co in order to automatically generate barcodes for a specific card added to a Trello board. So let's begin without an ado. The first step is to create a new Zap. For that, you have to go to the left menu and click Zaps. And then create Zap. It may take a little time to load depending upon your internet speed. So here you first have to search for Trello. And then you have to choose an event. We want that when a new card is added, a barcode is generated. So for that, here you will click New Card. Click Continue. And here you have to choose your Trello account in which you will be adding a card and generating a barcode. So choose an account. I have already added my account here, so I'll click it and then click Continue. The next step is to set up a trigger. So here you have to select the board. So I will select my new board. You can select any board of your choice which exists in your account. The next step is to select a list. I have selected my list. You can add any filter if you want, but for this tutorial we will simply click Continue. The next step is to test your trigger. So click Test. And your trigger is successful. So Zapier has found a card in your account, which you can see the name of your card here, my test card. So you click Continue. Now you want to connect Zapier with PDF.co in order to automatically generate a barcode whenever a new card is added to Trello. So search for PDF.co. The next step is to choose an action event. Since we want to generate a barcode, so we will choose barcode generator here. Click Continue. Here you have to choose your PDF.co account. Click Continue. And the next step is to set up the action. So here in the first field, you have to basically add the name of the card for which you want to generate a barcode. So I will click this because I have this card. Here you can choose the type of the barcode that you want to generate. We will simply generate QR code barcode. So I select the first option. You can keep these two values as default values and click Continue. Now is the time to test the trigger that you have created. So we will click Test and Continue. And a barcode has been successfully generated for your card. To see the barcode, you simply go to this link. You can copy or paste it. And here you can see the barcode that has been generated for your card. So this is how you can connect Zapier with PDF.co in order to generate barcodes for your newly added Trello cards. As a next step, you can again connect your Google Drive or any other application to save your newly generated barcode. Thank you for watching this video.